Hey guys, I hope you all are doing well. Summer is just around the corner and I know you all must be facing some skin issues like pigmentation, tanning, uneven skin tone. So, today I want to talk about something that many of us struggles with. Pigmentation and uneven skin tone. You know those annoying dark spot patches and dark circles that just seems to pop up out of nowhere. Yeah, I feel you. Let me tell you, it all comes down to melanin. You see, melanin is a pigment that gives your skin its color. But sometimes your skin produces too much of melanin in certain areas, leading to those pesky dark spots and uneven skin tone. I used to wonder why me? But then I realized it's actually super common and happens to the best of us. So I decided to dig deep and find out why these pesky spots decided to crash the party on my face. I tried every skincare product under the sun, hoping for a miracle to cure. From fancy serums to DIY masks, I was determined to get rid of this unwanted guest. But guess what? They just kept coming back, like that annoying ex who can't take a hint. Feeling defeated, I turned out the internet for answers, and let me tell you, I went down a rabbit hole of skincare myths and questionable remedies. Lemon juice, baking soda, toothpaste, yeah, been there, done everything. But they didn't work. So I did some research and I got to know about a glycolic acid. This little powerhouse ingredient is a game changer. When it comes to combating pigmentation issues, it works by exfoliating the top layers of your skin, helping to fade away those dark spots and even tone your skin. And so I decided to put this L'Oreal Paris Glycolic Bright Eye Serum for my dark circle. It has 3% of glycolic acid, niacinamide and vitamin CG, which helps you to reduce dark circles. Also, it's super easy to use. Swipe it under your eyes with the applicator and massage with your fingers. It's time to say no to messy applications. The best part, it reduces dark circle in just 2 weeks. I highly recommend this to you guys. You must try this. Also, I pair it up with L'Oreal Paris Glycolic Bright Serum to the test. And let me tell you guys, the results were jaw-dropping. It is easy to use. I have been using this for quite a long time now and it works best to reduce melanin and corrects uneven skin tone and pigmentation. And we get clear glowing skin in just few days. Just take a few drops of Glycolic Bright Serum and apply it on your face daily before sleep. It has 1% glycolic acid. Now, I know what you might be thinking. Is glycolic acid safe for my skin? Well, let me assure you, glycolic acid is a gentle yet effective ingredient that is suitable for all skin types. Just remember to start slow and gradually. Increase your uses to avoid any irritation and just take a look at these results. With consistent use of glycolic acid, you can say goodbye to uneven skin tone and dark circles, and hello to a brighter and glowing complexion. If you're tired of dealing with pigmentations and uneven skin tone, it's time to give L'Oreal Paris Glycolic Bright Eye Serum and Serum try. I highly recommend this duo for the best results. Trust me, your skin will thank you. Exciting offers running on L'Oreal Paris skincare range. Check them out. Thanks for watching. Bye.